In this video, I will show you how to finish this yellow house by LEGO Creator Sets 3-in-1. As you see, there's this thing right over here, but then there's this. And then, on the inside, there's furniture. And you might think, well, this might go with the set. Well, it doesn't. This thing over here, the black thing, used to be over here, but I moved it over there so I could put this bed in. Then down here, this was always there. I never really did anything to that. Down here, I added this chair right here. And I didn't add this mailbox. This mailbox already came with it. But then there's this blank side, as you see over here. And you might ask, why didn't I finish that? Well, I'm going to show you how to finish that side. So it makes it look nicer. And part of like a thing. So maybe this is close to maybe like a surfboard place or something. You might want to build like a surfboard rack. So first you put maybe blocks like that right there. And you keep on kind of stacking it up. You go like that to make it look kind of cool. And then once you feel that it's high enough, you add your surfboard right there. Or you could stay on its side or anything really. I kind of like it up. Doesn't look like you could come over there and just grab it like that. And then, you may still think, it's still kind of empty. There's flowers back there, or you may just want to move this so it creates more space in the yard. You don't block out that stowaway stuff over there. Don't know why you wouldn't want to block that, but so here's that. You look like looks kind of cool. What are you gonna do with all this part? Well, you can just maybe add a bench or maybe add a chair, like 2 lawn chairs. Like maybe take take 2 of these pieces, stack them like that, so if you want, and it looks kind of cool. But it doesn't look, or you could maybe add a pond, like maybe stack like a piece of this right here. It looks kind of like a pond, like a front pond. And then take a slanted piece like this, and take maybe like a brick like this. Doesn't matter if it has an ironette. Place it right there. Or maybe drop, something like that. Anything, and then you just place it in there, and it looks like a duck. See, it doesn't really look like a real duck, but still it's a duck. Do many other of those. And that's how you finish the yellow apartment house of the LEGO Creator Sets.